Today I'd like to talk to you about why you should consider trying Christ-centered yoga at your age. My name is Susan VanMeakins. I'm a 500-hour certified yoga teacher, and I specialize in teaching gentle yoga and chair yoga to folks after 50. And I've got 5 reasons why I think you should consider it. Reason number 1. Yoga can be as strenuous or as gentle as you like. I didn't discover yoga until I was in my 50s. Instead, I tried lots of other kinds of fitness classes and aerobics classes with an emphasis on burning calories and losing weight. And I enjoyed those classes, but that motivation to lose weight or look better in a bathing suit just wasn't enough to keep me motivated long term. Other priorities always took precedence, and most days I would end up being too exhausted to exercise at all. I love that yoga can be strenuous and fast-paced or slow and gentle, depending on what I need that day. Reason number 2. Yoga leads to so much more than just physical benefits. Yes, it is great for your physical body, for your heart, your lungs, your brain, your nervous system, immune system, all of that. It also teaches you to calm your mind, leading to mental health benefits and allowing you to finally let go of your stress and relax. After all, stress is the #1 contributor to many health problems, so learning to manage it is so important. Reason number 3 is the spiritual benefits from a Christ-centered yoga practice. We are much more than just bodies with a brain. You are an embodied spirit, and Christ-centered yoga is a great way to attend to your spiritual needs as well. During the quiet moments of a Christ-centered yoga class, you can slow down and listen for the Holy Spirit's whispers. And there is just something about adding movement and the breath to help quiet your mind and focus on the present moment and what is really important. Before I continue with the 4th and 5th reasons why Christ-centered yoga is more than worth your time, I'd like to pause just briefly and ask you to please click the like button under this video. If you'd like to leave a comment below the video, that also helps others to see this content, and I'd love to hear from you. Moving on to reason number 4. That is community. I hope that you are a member of a loving church community, but so many people these days are not connected to a church for one reason or another. You may be one of the thousands of believers, unfortunately, who have been hurt by the church in the past. But we were not meant to worship alone. The Bible is full of passages talking about the importance of worshiping in community, encouraging us to meet together, to pray for one another, and lift each other up. Finally, reason number 5. I believe Christ-centered yoga helps to counteract all of the negativity and cynicism and division around us. Now, I'm not saying that we should ignore the problems of this world. As Christians, I believe we should be grieved by some of the things that we hear happening around us. But I have never been to a negative yoga class. Everyone is welcomed and accepted. You will leave class feeling refreshed. I can't imagine a better environment to get acquainted or reacquainted with Jesus, and then be better able to love and take care of the people around you. So let's summarize quickly those 5 reasons. Reason number 1, you can tailor your Christ-centered yoga experience to your fitness level and energy level that day. Reason number 2, physical benefits for your body and for your mind. Not just cardio for weight loss or muscle building, but overall fitness and health. Reason number 3, spiritual benefits for Christians, helping you to be a better and more faithful follower of Jesus. Number 4 is finding a genuine, loving community of Christ followers. Reason number 5 is to counter all of the distrust and negativity with positive acceptance and love. For all of these reasons, I urge you to find a Christ-centered yoga teacher near you. Nothing can quite beat an in-person community of believers together. But if there is not an in-person yoga teacher or class near you, or you want more, I have been working on an online course just for beginners like you. It is on track to be finished coming up this fall. If you are on my email wait list, then you will get a very special offer at a very reduced price. So I'll put the link above where you can get on this list. A few of the things that you can expect from this course are: it will be dripped out over 4 weeks. It includes a 70-page full-color workbook, 17 videos. There will be demonstrations of over 56 of the most foundational yoga poses. We'll talk about setting some goals and journaling about this experience to help you stay motivated and consistent. If you'd like to just get to know me a little better, get to know my style, or you prefer to practice from a chair, you can check out the other videos on my YouTube channel. I will have 2 recommendations for you. One to learn more about the course, and one is a practice on Psalm 23 that can be done from a mat or a chair. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that I can make more videos like this for you.